What is up everyone, Jeran here, hoping you're safe and great. For this video, bumisita tayo sa Tamiya Underground. So, pasukin na natin to. So, Tamiya Underground is located in the second floor of Wilcon City Center in Visayas Avenue here in Quezon City. So, pasukin na natin to. Right, so dito pa lang sa labas makikita mo agad yung kanilang truck which is showed in front of the shop. And then usually, pag may races, naglalapag din sila dito sa labas, which is very spacious, no? So, nag-event sila pag may races sila, tournaments, nag-open sila dyan. Right? So, this is the shop. Yun, sa labas pa lang makikita mo, it is focused on Tamiya Mini 4WD. Unlike other stores na merong remote control, so dito is Mini 4WD ang kanilang focus. So, pasukan na natin. Right? So, opening, makikita mo agad yung kanilang mga stocks here in the front. Ang kaibahan din niya sa ibang shop, may mga items sila such as this one, yung mga oil, yung mga lubricant, and yung mga items na ganito. So, if you visited their online store, which is the Shopify, pwede kang bumili ng mga items na kagaya nito. Right? So, sa tingin ko, mas complete dito sa Tamiya Underground in comparison with other Tamiya stores. At this side, nandyan yung assembly area ng mga racers. And then, here are the stocks. So, may mga kits sa baba. Ayan, kikita yung mga kits. And then, you have some parts here. Ayan, so, saksayin natin. Baka may mga magustuhan kayong parts dyan. You could visit this store. Ayan, so, talagang they are focused on Tamiya Mini 4WD. So, kutin natin. Baka may magustuhan kayong mga stocks and pwede kayong bumisita dito. Yeah. So, meron din silang mga stocks dito na customized, kagaya nito, no? Hindi ko siya nakikita gaano sa other stores. I think dito lang to, exclusively for Tamiya Underground. May mga ganito silang items which is customized, which is nice kung gusto mong ng customized na cowls kagaya niya. So, this is their practice track. Pero pag meron silang competition or tournaments, naglalapag sila ng 5-lane racetrack sa labas. Sa mga naghahanap ng parts dyan, punta na kayo dito sa Tamiya Underground. Napakadami nilang stocks and napakadami nilang customized items. At the same time, marami silang items na hindi mo makikita sa ibang Tamiya shop. Alright, if you have the time, you could visit Tamiya Underground here in Visayas Avenue in Quezon City. Kung may hinahanap kayo na parts na hindi nyo makita sa ibang store, probably nandito yan sa Tamiya Underground. So, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, just click on that like button, subscribe to my channel for more stuff like this, and I'll see you on the next one.